welcome back. In today's video, we are reviewing and demo of PediaSure 7 years plus nutritional drink powder. So let's get started. This one is a 400 gram pack, comes with a MRP of 700, but we got it from Amazon at a discount of 537. Not a huge discount though. The shelf life is 18 months, but once you open the pack, you need to finish it within 30 days. And it comes in two flavors, vanilla and chocolate. Our pack is chocolate. The powder is designed for kids 7 years and above. There is another product for kids below 7 years. It comes packed in a foil paper with a cut mark design for easy opening, and the powder is fine with chocolatey aroma. As soon as you open it, you get a nice chocolatey aroma. To prepare, mix one serving that is equal to 30 gram with 150 ml of milk, and you can have maximum 2 servings per day, no more than that. And it dissolves well in milk with a rich chocolate flavor, and the sweetness is just right. Now talking about the health benefits, it genuinely helps the kids' height and weight gain. My son loves drinking it. For kids who doesn't drink milk at all, they can mix it with water too. For storage, wrap the foil 3 times from here and then keep it in an airtight container to prevent the powder from absorbing moisture. And it is packed with essential nutrients, so I would say it is a great product for the kids who don't eat properly and who are undernourished or picky eaters. It's a fantastic product, worth trying. I think you should give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.